In this video, I'm going to show you how to import different settings into your Prepit software. So to do this, we're going to go down to our server and we're going to double click on that to open this window. Now we have automations, we have nesting automations, we also have our cut media manager. So we might want to save these and import them if we're moving this software, or we just want to create a backup. So to do this, I'm going to go into my computer. I'm going to go to this PC. There we go. I'm going to go to my Windows drive, and then I'm going to go to program data. Now, if program data is not there, we need to go to view. And we need to go to show, and then we need to go to hidden items at the bottom. So in program data, I'm then going to go to Fiery Prepit. I'm going to go to my server. Now in server, you'll see that we've got cut media. So here we can obviously save these out and we can drop those back into a new fresh install. We also have our automations. We can save those as well. And then we have our nesting automations as well. So we'd save those, we'd put those into another folder, reinstall the software onto another computer if needed, and then just drop them back into the same folders on here. So that's how you can sort of save some settings away if needed.